Have you ever tried chopping firewood with a dull, unbalanced axe? It's not just frustrating, it wastes time and puts you at risk of injury. In this video, I'll review the top 10 camping axes, carefully selected for power, portability, and real outdoor performance. So let's get into it. Number 1. Fiskars X7 Small Hatchet Camping Axe. The Fiskars X7 is one of those tools that just feels right from the first swing. It's compact enough to carry in a backpack, but powerful enough to handle your firewood prep without breaking a sweat. It's a great choice for campers who want reliability, precision, and portability all in one. For its size, it performs like a champ and comes with a protective sheath and even a lifetime warranty. Number 2. Gerber Gear Pack Hatchet Camping Axe. If you're looking for something small, rugged, and ready for just about any camp task, the Gerber Gear Pack Hatchet has you covered. This axe is built with a full-tang steel blade that holds its edge well and gives you serious chopping power despite its compact form. What really sets it apart is how easy it is to control. It's great for prepping, kindling, trimming branches, or even clearing up campsite debris. It's not made for splitting huge logs, but for general outdoor tasks. It's a hard-working little beast that's perfect for your day pack or survival kit. Number 3. Hitdudu Nylon Fiber Handle Camping Axe. This axe from Hitdudu is for campers who want more than just a basic tool. Its rugged design and tactical features make it feel like it's ready for just about anything. At 15.3 inches long with a 4.7-inch stainless steel blade, it hits a sweet spot between size and power. And the nylon-reinforced fiberglass handle gives you a strong, non-slip grip, even in wet conditions, and the entire tool weighs just 1.59 pounds. Light enough for easy carry, yet heavy enough to get the job done. Number 4. Estwing Sportsman's E24A Camping Axe. The Estwing Sportsman's axe is a true American classic, crafted from a single piece of 14-inch forged steel for unmatched durability and balance. It features a 4-inch hand-sharpened cutting edge that delivers clean, efficient cuts, whether you're chopping, kindling, splitting small logs, or pulling up tent stakes. Made in the USA since 1923, this axe blends old-school craftsmanship with real-world performance. It also comes with a ballistic nylon sheath with a belt loop, so it's easy to carry on your next backcountry adventure. Number 5. KSEIBI Forged Steel Blade Camping Axe. If you're after a versatile, lightweight axe that doesn't compromise on performance, the KSEIBI Forged axe is a great one to consider. It's built with a forged and heat-treated steel blade that holds its edge well and powers through campsite tasks with ease. The 14-inch fiberglass handle provides excellent shock absorption and balance, making it comfortable to swing for extended periods. One of the standout features here is its dual-head design, a sharp axe blade on one side and a flat hammer back on the other, giving you the flexibility to split logs and drive in tent stakes without switching tools. Number 6. OKNIFE Otacle A1 Camping Axe. The OKNIFE Otacle A1 is more than just a camp axe. It's a compact survival tool built for serious outdoor use. Constructed from full-tang stainless steel, this axe delivers impressive strength and durability, ready to handle chopping, prying, hammering, and even wrenching, thanks to its smart 4-in-1 tactical design. The G10 non-slip grip ensures a firm hold, even in wet or rugged conditions, giving you confidence with every swing. It also comes with a durable Kydex sheath for safe carrying and storage. Number 7. INTERTOOL Small Hand Camping Axe. The INTERTOOL Camping Axe is a smart, lightweight option built for campers who value control and ease of use. Measuring 15 inches in length and weighing just 2 pounds, this axe strikes a nice balance between portability and function. It features a 1.3-pound carbon steel head with an anti-corrosive coating, designed to stay sharp and resist rust even after repeated use in damp environments. Plus, it includes a blade protector and hang hole, making it convenient to store or carry along on weekend hikes or camping trips. Number 8. DESHIL Forged Carbon Steel Camping Axe. The DESHIL Forged axe is a budget-friendly option for campers who need a dependable tool without breaking the bank. With its 15-inch heat-treated carbon steel blade, this axe is built to handle regular campsite tasks like chopping firewood or driving tent stakes. It features a fiberglass handle with a shock-absorbing anti-slip grip for added comfort and control. It also comes with a protective blade cover that includes a locking latch, perfect for safe transport or storage. Number 9. Freelander Multi-Functional Camping Axe. The Freelander Multi-Functional Axe is designed for campers who want a compact, all-in-one tool that goes beyond just chopping. This axe features a sharp blade for splitting wood and a hammerhead back for driving stakes or pounding. Its reinforced handle boosts durability, while the lightweight design makes it easy to carry on hikes or camping trips. It's a solid pick for anyone looking to maximize functionality without adding bulk. Number 10. Coleman Non-Slip Grip Handle Camping Axe. This Coleman axe excels at splitting wood and hammering, making it a solid choice for both survivalists and landscapers. If you need something durable and dependable, this axe won't let you down. The rubberized non-slip grip ensures comfort and control even in wet conditions, while the integrated tent stake puller notch adds practical utility for campers. So there you have it, 10 of the best camping axes you can count on for your next outdoor trip. Remember, the right axe not only makes your camping easier, but can keep you safer and save you valuable time out in the wild. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest outdoor gear reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one.